Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This is a shot of my sad side porch. I like to sit out here and have some tea or meditate, even read a book, but it's just looking blah. So I am going to hook this puppy up. Number one, I want to get rid of the shoe pile. So I'm going to have some shoe storage that I'm going to hook up, and better floor covering, some plants, somewhere to sit a cup of tea, getting rid of that bird nest. Now I'm really going to give it the fix.